This is the shirt that I made.
Ooh, so soft. And this?
Hello guys and welcome back to our channel, and today we're gonna open and test the Amtok heat press. So let's see what's inside. We had the heat press, but the stand, insulated base, the comfortable handle. This is the comfortable handle, and this is the evenly heated plate. We have the patterns. These are the sample patterns that came with this. So I'm gonna use this one for Daddy, or also this one. He loves dogs. Pineapple. This one. This one is for nesting. This is so cute. This one is also cute. And this one. Oh, little bear. And this one too. So I got some shirts, and I'm gonna use this size large, and it's V-neck, and I'm gonna use this for heat transfer. And let's try. This has 3 power settings, and this is the high, pull down, medium, low, medium, and high. So we're gonna be using the high. And when the machine reaches the set temperature, the indicator light changes from red to green with a D sound. If the machine is not in use, it is not moving, the machine will automatically shut down after 10 minutes of standby. We're just gonna lay flat the shirts, and it's gonna be our center. I'm gonna put my design here, and I'm gonna use this one, and we're gonna start transfer. Hear the sound, the D sound. It means that it's starting. So easy, guys. It's so pretty. And it's done. My first one. And on to my second one. And I'm gonna use this one. It looks like Princess. We lost her. And we're gonna give it to Rusty. See? Forgot. Don't forget this one. see. I'm gonna show it to you closer. My God, it's so pretty and it's so easy. And this is gonna be my third one, and I'm gonna give it to Uncle John. That's the center. So just want to make sure that I get everything. Then I'm gonna this one, I'm gonna give it to Daddy because he likes dogs. This one's so cute too because he likes Stewie and Knight. So this we need to adjust. If you can see the little bubbles, it means it's ready. Okay, let's peel it up. It's so pretty. I'm gonna show you closer. So I got another shirt and it's gray, and I'm gonna use this sticker to put it here, and it's the same procedure. Mm-hmm.
No, we need to do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
18, 19,
20.
20.
Don't touch this one, huh?
It's done.
Okay, and then
Wow.
we're gonna fill it up.
Wow. I love the moon.
Yeah. We're gonna give that to Lola.
No. Not yet.
Gonna buy your
I
shirt.
wish I can have this cute. And this is cute. Like, no, that's why I'm gonna use that. Mom, not too big for these.
We're gonna give one more shirt for Lolo.
Oh, wow.
We're gonna
With
use
this,
the
not yet already.
red. And
Is this my green?
we're gonna give this one.
Mom,
Okay.
have these three,
Yeah, for your shirt.
but don't put it on another shirt. Because this is
Move a little bit,
mine.
Artie.
Can I put it here? But then what? It doesn't need tape. Then. I can't. No, this goes. Oh, I'm.
One,
Here. Here's yours. Penny, penny, penny. Or mine.
it's so easy, guys.
Yeah. Where's my pineapple rose? Pineapple rose, I'm using it. This is mine.
So we're
I
gonna
want that too.
turn it off because it's the last one that we're gonna do tonight.
No, that's going to.
And then we're gonna fill it up.
Ow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, can we make this?
This is the closer look. And it's too cute.
Oh, like that.
So guys, these are the shirts that I made.
Ooh, I like this. And these are. Can I get it? Ooh, so soft. And this.
And thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.